Temperate rainforests are found along some coasts down in the temperate zones. Largest one is found in North America, Pacific coast from Oregon to Alaska. Smaller one can be found on the southeast of a place in South America called Chile. Average temps run from 70 to 85. Lot cooler than the tropics, but they're still mild. They have two distinct main seasons: long wet winter and short dry summer sun. This is my biome, let me tell you what I know. Temperate rainforest might be where you wanna go. Long wet winter but still dry summer sun. Check out my biome, come on, let's have some fun. Come on, let's learn, have some fun. Some of the wildlife that you might find here: beavers, raccoons, cougars, and black bears. But the elk may be the most important landscape gardener of the Olympic National Forest. Their foraging and trampoline provide a balance that is necessary to survive. Some other common ones that you might see in temperate deciduous forests might be black bears, raccoons, and gray squirrels. White-tailed deer eat snakes and wild turkeys, yo. Red wolves, distinguished by their reddish fur, are an endangered species, so we gotta save them for sure. Epiphytes are plants growing on others. Mosses, spiked mosses, don't forget ferns. Lichens festoon tree trunks and branches, giving the forest jungle-like feel, yeah. Large old trees, dominant species, are Sitka spruce and western hemlock sea. But other conifers and several deciduous species might grow here as well. Temperate. This is my biome, let me tell you what I know. Temperate rainforest might be where you wanna go. Long wet winter but still dry summer sun. Check out my biome, come on, let's have some fun. Come on, let's learn, have some fun. The temperate deciduous forest biome can be subdivided up into 5 zones. It is located in the great United States, the place we live. Yes, I'm talking about the USA, Canada, Europe, China, and Japan. Some small parts are in Russia now, don't forget. Temperate deciduous forest biome, I'm telling you, yeah, this is the one I know.